Hello friends, this is Udayan and today is 18th March 2021. Let's discuss the trades that I have taken today and what was the logic behind it. As we can see, so let's take a chart to daily time frame. As we can see, from last 3-4 days the market was consistently in a downtrend. I won't really say the trend has changed, but it was consistently falling, and we were expecting that the trend will continue even today and then until the market reaches a crucial support level and take a support at that level. So we're expecting the market to fall. That's what happened today as well. So these are some crucial support and resistance level that I have drawn from the yesterday's trades. Like this is a support which then acted as a resistance and the market fall yesterday. So this I took it forward, and this was the congestion area where market spent a lot of time before deciding to move down. And there's also a trend line which the market was following. I was expecting the market to open in this range, either towards yesterday's low or to this region. So basically between 14,700 to 14,800 range. But the market opened gapped up around 14,850 range. It stayed there for some time and started falling, coming to the range where you know this congestion zone where the market spent a lot of time yesterday. I thought in first attempt generally market doesn't fall suddenly, and this big green candle showed that um, it was not ready to fall. This is the time when it again tested, and this is the third time when I tested. And in fact, I entered into one of the so this is the time when I entered into the trade on the short side, but the market actually took a U-turn and went upside for some time, and my stop loss got hit. Nevertheless, it did try to come down at a later stage around 12:30, around 12:30 to 1 o'clock, and this time it really fell. So this, after getting the confirmation that the market is falling this time, I took a trade here, and I put a target of this yesterday's low. So I exited around this range, um, around 14,700 something. Although as you can see, the market fell really sharply after that, almost 200 points. It reached to 14,500. So I did miss this rally, but my target was achieved here. And since today was a weekly expiry, if the market turns on the upside, the options premium erodes very fast and your capital will be gone. So I don't want to take that risk. So whatever profit I could get, so the first trade's loss also I could cover, and I ended up into the positive side. So if you see the profit that I had today, this was my trading terminal, so I'm using two screens, so I have to drag and drop on the other side. You can see, as I said, there were the trades which I took on the earlier in the morning, which ended into negative. But there are the next 2-3 trades which I took and it ended up in the positive. So the total profit that I got today is around 81,000, and this was after covering my losses. Now, why did and the market not only it came third time today to test this range, but also there were a couple of other factors which did help to fall this market. One of the other thing would be the US 10-year government bonds yield. So if you see the market timing of the fall, it was around 12:50 or 1 o'clock it started to actually fall. And if you see the so I keep tracking all these other parameters as well. And if you see the 10-year bond yield, the US government, around 1 o'clock that's where it started really rising, and it's if the yield are increasing, then the Dow Jones future or Nasdaq is expected to fall, and exactly the same thing started happening over here. Dow Jones also started falling in the same period. So is the Nasdaq. It started showing a bigger decline because of the increase in the government bond yield, and sorry, not this, government bond yield, it was sharp rise, and this 2-3 factors also helped us to fall this much big. uh, so I was able to capture a part of this rally, couldn't capture the complete because of the weekly expiry. Had it been the not weekly expiry, I would have uh, waited for a longer period, but nevertheless I got a decent profit today. And that was the analysis for today's trade. We will share the further analysis tomorrow after the trade. And what I'm planning to do going forward is I will also try to share my trading plan for tomorrow or day before itself, so that other people can also see and learn from it, and they can understand how I plan and devise my strategy a day before, even before the market opens. Because ideally you should not decide on your strategy as and when the market opens. Of course you should change and execute as per the plan, so the planning should be done well in advance. If the market goes upside, what should be your buying range or buying zone? If the market starts going down, what should be your selling range? So all those things you should do your study a day before only. Those studies should not be done as and when the market opens, because then you won't have enough time to study it. So I will try to upload those study videos going forward, where I will discuss my plan for tomorrow, and that way the other people can also take some help and get benefited. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.